Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and we got this quick update, and then I got to get on the road to my brother's house for the little man's birthday. I believe he's turning 3 today. You can see Bitcoin, the price did bounce off the short-term moving averages last night. When we were talking, we were somewhere in here on the downtrend. I think we just had our first hour candle, and now recently, just literally now, we've got a beautiful pump up. And we've actually hit this almost this targeted move now out of this mini falling channel. And it would now appear probable that you're coming up here to retest at the top part of this channel, right? You can see in the 4-hour time frame, we've had upper resistance with our industry exclusive drawing to upper resistance, upper resistance, upper resistance. And this appears to be going on our 4th upper resistance. We've had lower support, group of lower support the other day. And now it appears that we're still just going to be following in this pattern. So if you're playing the pattern, if you're in this, you would sell it when it comes up near this upper resistance. Come on. Get rid of that. When it comes up here, if it's to play this current pattern at 22,593, and then you would try to buy it back if you're playing the pattern at 19,863-ish area, right? Luna, I know we got a lot of people liking to buy the volatility, but it's very, very risky in there. You can see Ethereum last night, we were down here, and look at that. We did come up here to the top part of what used to be our falling channel that broke down out of. Now it's back in it, and it's hitting the upper part up here where we've been waiting for several days to see if it could get up here, right? And now if it can continue up in an up and down fashion, you could finally be coming up to meet that $1,687 target. But initially, this is major upper resistance, even though we had a nice volume tick up there, right? You can see we had a big wick, and it got harshly rejected at the beginning, which you would expect it, and now it's consolidating. Now in Ethereum, what I would expect to see after that huge pump up, see how it came right up to that beautifully, right there? Look at the big wicks, beautiful. Now you got a consolidation. You could run back up into it like this, but I would think now you got to back test this underneath support that used to be resistance, but used to be support 3-4 weeks ago, and hold the 200-day moving average that, again, just so happens to be running right next to it. If you consolidate down today, I would think this is where you would need to back test, hold it, trade up, and then you can make a run to even blow by that, right? So you could be stuck into this consolidation once again for a little bit. So we'll continue to watch that as you got the 1421 upper resistance, and you got the 1241 lower support. Cardano, you can see Cardano did break back what we were watching out last week when we came up into this consolidation. Now you've actually broken out of it. See this? The consolidation we were talking about. You could say it was a descending triangle, and now it's at the very end, and now you peaked above it again, and now see we had that Vincenzo watch there when ADA was down in here, right? We were watching to see what happens when it came back. But if we zoom into the 5-minute, what I would watch for this now with our industry exclusive drawing tool today is, do you back test this now as support, hold it and confirm it as a breakout? Or when you come back and back test it, do you fall back into it and confirm it as a fake out? That's what we're watching out for in Cardano. And then we'll finish with low XRP. You can see XRP has traded back above this white support zone down there. And now it would appear that we're going to try to make a run up here to 37 cents. So that's your major upper resistance, 37 cents. Your lower support is about 31 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.